sanibonani nyaphila sure bafethu ngihamba nomunye ubhuti la ebathi ugunman lo bhuti lona bafethu lo bhuti lona uyalahleka ema-airport lo bhuti lona gunman wayolahleka hey gugu akalahleki ugunman lana e-airport ya ende kuvele wena lana utla ba wetsang wena why o rasa ko planning no hey dimo e1 awe kopo i-check mama ke nna le mang wala Pascal hey last time re latlhile di-bag a ka sa tshepa selo eng ba tla latlha it's fine banong mara colony ya ka ke re ne ba latlha ya less tanko le Spanish shop ne ela bafethu ngihamba no Pascal lana no Zebediela Pascaline Paskizi hello Pasky we utlonyela bjanong ke tseba Paskizi ngingakhulumisi okusalayo thina mina mfethu igama lami liyi-1 emhlabeni mina ngizalwanga nge-apartheid mina angizalwanga nge-apartheid mina elami igama liyi-1 hey yisono ngani bafethu engizalwe nge-apartheid Godman bafethu Godman lethu bafethu hey isono ngani enizalwe nge-apartheid nisha ngamanye amagama wala kaPaskizi aliki 2000 wala kaPaskizi wena usi 2000 ya vele mina ngi-2000 baba kwetsa masipa ka di-KK
wathini bona
ngumntwana onabantwana
umntwana
so ubaba wabantwana
umntwana nabantwana
welcome Tanzania Tanzania it's very very hot there and all the time when I'm there yes I don't sleep there you can't hear me sorry baby cela ungangiplay me ngidlakadlaka ngethe nangizenzi ama-headset sorry guys chimeme nangizwa manje bathi can you hear me yebo gogo bathathe ayi balimele labantwana mthenke mfana bona mfana you must come help me mfana you miss me chimwe hello manager
ubona misay
uchimwe yamazi chimwe
ubona uchimwe
angeke umazi ntwana uhlala ePitori
so lo uhlala kuphi
uhlala emhlabeni kaJesu le Hey, bare papa EP loading of Yanto. Ngizokutshela mngani wami ngifonela mfethu, awungifonela mfethu. Brenda fast. Hambani Brenda fast. Hello Kustra.
Bathini Kalimeke?
Usalele.
Ngifuna ukuthi ubuze uGanman ukuthi kuyenzakalini la Simon Samaset.
Ayenza ekanmeni. Ubungaro nyako ukuthi something.
Ah, Gustra, Gustra. Gustra.
Khwetsa kgetseng la Simon le mo Samaset.
Bathi wenzeni last time useSomerset? Ula. Iphelile khotmani.
Biza
Akafuni
uGanman
bona
Linda.
uyabaleka,
Gustra.
kuyakubalekela.
What is Kipan, Gustra? Yensen is about nini nju.
Ah, Linda uvule Hennessy ngabo 4 a.m. Ekseni
Ah,
we bekagula.
Wenzeni kuphinda bazakho.
ah, you fully hear this no
Yo.
5 a.m. Yeah.
Why ngo-5?
Ah, bekulu dawa mina. Ah,
I-toilet yami ubonile ukuthi uyishintsha.
you can give us this one because we're going to get. Yeah, Gustra, malana mo.
Yeah.
Siyeza.
Uyangibelekela Limeke.
Cannot come again here.
For park.
No, Gustra.
Ngikufuna emshinini ntwana yami.
Qeda
What are
la.
they saying? Pare Kustrado. Wake up, wake up, wake up.
Uyayidropha vele le
Amapanda
ngoma.
awalali till this time.
We.
Umkhulisa phansi.
Talk to my dad. Hello,
Kenzakalani
Hello,
for
Kustra.
park?
Hey, Makondana. How are you?
Sengicedile ukuchecka in.
Asiyaqeda ukuchecka in ntwana yami sithi. Ibheki yami beyisala bona. Bebayishiya ntwana yami
Yo.
bona.
Yo.
you're not casting the Galaparapoto in the moment.
Mm.
Singifakelana mfana because nalapha abakusearch. Athini uGugu. Yo guys, this is my friend Soulful G, Soulful Kustra. Kustra the top, Kustra the man, Kustra the wizard. The one that sleeps every time. She's always sleeping. She's gonna wake up
Uyahamba
when
or
it's time to
uyabuya?
wake up. Eh?
Uyahamba or uyabuya?
Ntwana yami khona ngihamba yazi.
Uyaphi?
Angisayi la ematswaneni.
Hey bayakuthanda amatswana ne?
Hey, ntwana yami uvela simeneja yami ihlala ematswaneni. Ngahlala kanjani ba ngithanda ematswaneni?
Umshiyeleni?
Woza ke sizokumela la.
Ngiyayikhoma. Ah, ukabo itwena.
Hamba.
Nibuya nini?
Yeah. After
Nibuya nini?
after 9.
After 9.
After 9. After 9.
Nibuya nini?
Manje vele kulalwa ngey'gcoko ze-North Face.
Number one.
Kumnandi ukuba nemali. Yazi uma unemali awuhlukunyezwa into eyinyani yezimali.
Wena lapho. Wena
Shem
driver.
niyabhora
Lala
nina.
ngesidingo se-not safe. Maybe ushaye nephenti legushi.
Uyabhora yo. Send i-wallet.
Ithi sibone sifuna ukubona.
Wena send iwa. Ngigcwale ngawe i-birthday yami next month.
Yeah, ibhede yakhe next month angisho kumele uspoilwe next month ayinamhlanje.
Ngazile. Yo wena Linda. Ngicela ungene ku-WhatsApp ne. Mawuceda
Yini
ukuphuma
ungisendele
kule
indaba?
live. Hey! Ngiphume deep cove. Angilelanga ekhaya.
Wo
Ngiyakutshela.
kuku.
Ha wena yazi ngisese traumatized awubona akuvukeki nokuvukeka.
Akuvukeki.
Angikho grand
Uzigiyele
ntwana
lapho.
yami.
Shem ngabe ngikuvakashele ekuseni before ngihamba yazi.
Hawu unqanya vele. Mara fethu.
Mina angikuncanywa vele ngiyakuthanda. Can you feel it?
Yo, ntwana yami. I can feel it. I felt it the whole night in the samende. Yo, ntwana yami.
Bafethu singitshele something uSoulful Kustra usingile bafethu. Zamani inhlanhla yenu. Wozani madoda.
Uzokushaya unhlanhla.
USoulful Kustra usingile.
Hayi
Zamani
ngiyajola mina.
inhlanhla yenu.
Ngiyajola yini
Usingile
ngawe?
guys, she is single.
Awuyakhenga
Usingile
wena.
ngotona. Bakori mina kachivenda. Ho oyi uba singile.
Awuyakhenga ngizozikhipha indaba zakho kanti.
Yabona uyahlanya wena. Hawu.
Yini manje? Ya, mara nimenzani u-Itu?
Awukhethele ntwana yamazi sikalali kamampela ku.
Hayi ningamenzi so.
Isono shem ngumntana abantu. Malume. Umvile lo malume odlulayo.
Uthini bari ulimethi?
You need at least 3 songs no youngster. No, youngster need at least 3 songs no limit.
Ay ezike zithwebu. Khohla abofopha ke.
Ah yabo. Makhathi.
Mara ntwana yami that day bekumnandi ne mara iphele kabuhlungu
Asam.
lelanga leliyashaya.
Liphele kabuhlungu. Manje
Eh,
sofuna ukukhipha uthaba. Shomadaba.
hayi ku live.
How are you?
Uzazibona lapha
Hola.
soku-freshman
What's
Mac.
your name, my friend? What's your name? Kai. Kai.
Sisibona
Thank you,
uKyle.
Kai. Your surname? Surname. Kai who? Wow.
Sisimbone for park.
Complicated. Say it. What if I'm gonna get it? Ciao. Kai Ciao.
Ithi
Cuckoo.
ngimbone.
But here's a girlfriend for you. Say hello, Kustra.
Hello Kyle.
She knows her name now. She's saying
Come.
hello, Kai. She's talking to you. Talk to her.
Hello Kyle.
She's singing. Yeah. Are you single too? Shemisono ngakuku uyajola
Ah,
ukai.
ubona ukuthi ngiyamfuna. Uyaphapona Linda.
She's scared of you. You see?
Ithi
Ah.
simbone okugcina.
Ngikushaya into
Hello Kyle.
yamamfeni uzopha iveni makafike ekhaya.
Hello Kyle. Awu Kyle
I'm
akazingeni
calling
ezethu.
you. Ngathi uyakusaba no.
Ha, usaba wena ubona u4 Park Airport.
Ngosantwana mingazi mangifile ngifika ngamasimba vele. Vele.
Soyisusile. Wayisusa uzoyimela. Hayi Linda ngiyavuka manje bye bye.
Uyavuka manje. Vuka sikubone sifuna ukubona mawuvuka. Maybe akusimi ngiyi-one ofuna ukubona mawuvuka. Maybe sibaningi lana esifuna ukubona mawuvuka. Awuvuke lapha.
Hayi. Yabo liyahlala legama
vuka
laka-4 Park.
bafethu anitshelela ugugu ukuthi avuke ngathi akafuna ukuvuka vuka simbone akavuke simbone sukuma mngami bakubona
Angifuni.
vuka kashimela yahoyela yathapelwa yini yeah
Kefik,
ela ola omagusha ola kana ke mang omxhosa hayi singisho omxhosa ola nerilana SNK
oh,
awalaka wena
atsumakhathaza limeke.
sindima katasa sindima katasa
Asisindi
sindima katasa
makhathaza man gunman.
sindima katasa nakiti sindi ole obale yang nakiti sindi ole obale yang run
Atsumakhathaza
away
sindi
baby
makhathaza.
ukhuluma ngobani
Yeah.
kanti
Wenzeni gunman?
ba re wentseng nje oh wa re filo ke no monagana fela
King unushebile wona.
awu awubheke ngelinye ilihlo lelogcina
Phela
sowubhekani
ekseni laphaya. Ugunman umuphe indawo lapha ebhasini ukuthi alale.
hey
Makavuka ugirl ulele
woza
ngama-stockings,
ngendaba
makavuka ama-stockings
mangokhona
awekho.
ubani lona ukhuluma ngayo lo ola unika mina ufuna ukubhebha ebhasini
Yeah.
oh unya yeah yazi ufuna bani
Ubani?
umthizozo
Ubani umthizozo?
thizima khathaza
Ngishilo. Phela uthi umthizozo uleli lapha ebhasini. And ulalisa ugunman. Bekalela agcoka ama-stockings. Ekseni
hayi
ama-stockings awekho.
hey
Asibambana
unendaba
kahle
kuku
futhi.
ah
Ngiyatshela.
bathini cha uzobathini bathi bazokushaya solful nama
Hayi lo
stru
khuluma umsangane ke ngize ngiyithathene le nto le. Ayibo
ubona
khona umuntu
negama
onomali.
lakhe ubani igama lakhe tuba lentuba uyabona ukuthi uyahlanga
Mfake kule live.
awuthi sim request ukukhulume naye woza
Yeah.
la tuba lentuba
Mfake.
awuyenze lapho
Awumfake
singimfuthi
la.
banyana ba meiso tsiju banyana ba meisa kang ke se bise mo tšhelete no one minister are good morning o etsa di lafu la go tla se di lafu why kanti nina mantombazane nenze
Banyakaganele.
kanti why lira di love a ke tsino go njuto kanti why bayenza ama love
Mfake akangeni kanti utuba or ubani.
angimboni phela konjubani
Uthi simbheke.
thuba lentuba ngimlanda lakho ngifuna kushare
Angeke azangena. Khona nomunye okufunayo ubuyisile shabalala. Kuninathi
yini le
limeke please
ayifunayo
very
yini
leave.
le ayifunayo mina ngifuna lo ukuthi uzokushaya ngenyama
Athi girl ukunida every day.
nangu nyambizi hayi akafuni uthukile thank you awuthukile
Hayi mina bengizifundela ama-comments.
ayiwanda ukuthi uzokushaya
Ngizifundela
kanjani
ama-comments.
ngenyama athukile
Angishongo lutho.
usaba nokungena ku-live mara athi uzokushaya ngenyama wow
Uyabhayiza lo.
maybe umntana maybe una-12
Maybe. Khona namantombazana thirsty yabo.
manje ulady ubani ulady asa yena athi uzolobola bani uzolobola bani say it who are you
Yeah,
gonna lobola
ushadile
with
uLinda.
ulinda uthina ngani
Ningalinge
manje
ni-attempt.
Mina bangalinge bangizame shem.
And asumngani wami mara yo asashem ulate ushadile umlindosh.
Don't get raped, Limek. What are you talking about, boy?
What is it? Worry.
Mngami,
Ati
ngithe
please
sukuma
add
mngami
me.
bakubone. Sukuma mngami bakubone.
Hi, add umchito one.
Ufuna umchito yi-1.
Yeah.
Machita, ukuku ufuna umchita man. Velani
Hayi
machita.
ukuthi ngiyamfuna ezukujola ayabo. Wena linda
Mina
mara yini mara.
Mina I want Limek crazy. Ngeke umthole. Ah, ay. Ngeke
Hayi labantu bakho
umnuke.
bakhuluma umsangano abanye athi lona athi.
Athini?
Okay, add umdluli. What?
Uthemba. Add me dog.
Mm.
Request main. Inkulumo zenu.
Requesta
La
ndapho
emuva.
ulime kuzona
Yazi
accept.
la emuva kan men ka utlwa khona le mo go tsubiwang ko teng mo. Kopela o tsuba braga. Kodimo braga or somewhere this side. Kula phezulu. Mele ngithenge something uthi ngipeme. Shapa siye uzoyithenga something. Kulapha yana.
Bestia.
Hello,
How are you? Hi.
Chimeme.
Hi babes.
Hi, babe. Oh, so we're both in bed, so I don't feel shit now.
Yeah, meet my girlfriend. This is my girlfriend. Soulful
Oh,
Kustra.
Hi.
hi, baby.
How are you, my darling?
I'm good, baby. How are you?
I'm
Lona
good, thanks.
kukunokuhlanyanyana mfethu Chimeme.
Colleen,
Uyakuthanda la.
you know
Ngiyabona ukuthi
you're so
ziya-arouse.
bad. You're so bad at responding to your DMs. You're like,
Eish, Me,
I like your
me, like,
accent.
really?
oh,
Mhm.
Santwana
Thank you.
yami.
Thank you.
Where are you based?
I'm based in the UK at the moment.
Oh,
Mara
okay.
ngathi uhlala ezonthune.
You.
Based in the UK.
You must come, Chimeme. You see where I stay?
No, you don't
Yes.
respond to your DMs. I'm not coming anymore.
When are
Matter
you
of fact,
You
coming
you
to
must
should.
come,
South
man. I got
Africa?
you. I got you Mkukunyana.
I'm coming when you invite me, darling.
I got you
You must
Mkukunyana there at
DM me,
zone
ne?
2 by the
I can come now. You
Mashanganyeli.
want me to come now? I'll come now. Don't
But
play.
Now I'm
you're
still going
supposed to book your
somewhere.
flights. How are you gonna come?
Okay, true. But
For
I
now, I'm
heard
still
December.
going somewhere.
I heard December
So,
is
my
the best
friend,
time. I heard
how are
December is
you?
the best
But
time to come.
I'm very
during
good. Can I
December
have
we'll
a
be
lighter,
we'll be
please?
gigging everywhere.
Thank you.
So we're not gonna have time to accommodate you
Okay,
properly. Not
true.
unless you want to go with us or our
Let's
kids.
go. Who am I to say no? Me. Ha, I'm there.
I like your vibe. You must DM me.
I will. I will literally add you now, and then
See, women, this is
Huh?
your new friend, Joe. This one is your new friend, Soulful Fostra.
she is my new friend. Matter of fact, I want you to come to the UK. We have this thing called Amafest in August, but if you're not busy, come.
Limek is coming on the
Just be.
on the 31st. I'm booked somewhere else. I won't be able to
Oh,
come.
oh, okay,
I'm
okay.
going to Bush Pakrish on the 31st. He's coming.
Oh, okay, okay, okay.
Me, I'm coming.
Yeah,
But next
you're coming.
time, you must book me next
Next
time.
time, there's
Look at my
always
girlfriend. My
time.
girlfriend is here. My girlfriend is saying, where, Nina? Let me, I've got two girlfriends. I've got the
Ask Limek
first
how
one,
many girlfriends does he
You
have?
know, I lost count. How many? How many?
two, only Soulful
Eh,
Kustra, and my crush.
You know
Which
what's
one
the
is
name
that
of the
one?
crush?
Who? What's the name?
Ngish
Look at it, it's there.
Kia Mumuloi.
Name Grace. Guys,
How much is that?
Mama, do you live in SA?
Yes, I do, Mama.
Oh, okay. Amazing.
You said when are
I'll
you
go to
coming after the Amma first, ne?
After I'm a first for sure. I can, you know what? I'll DM you. I'll DM you.
Okay. Jesus.
I will DM you.
You must come, don't lie, ne?
I will not lie.
Chikosua.
promise you. I promise
We're
you.
gonna take
I'll
you to
come.
live. Actually, we're gonna take you Mbizweni.
Yeah,
Take me everywhere. Take me
We're gonna
everywhere.
take you
You know the food.
Mbizweni. Sithengele nomkhukhu person too.
I like fun. Let's go.
You want some cuckoo?
Yeah, I do.
You wanna be in Mkuku?
Yes, I want to be Namkuku.
Do you know what
You know that
Mkuku
song?
is?
You know that song? They say, "I will
We
follow
have a
cuckoo."
Mkuku. I
Yeah,
will find.
yeah. By Kmart.
Yeah. Do you
Yeah.
know what
You know
Mkuku
that
is?
one?
What's Mkuku? It sounds like a chicken, you know.
No.
Yo.
Because you
The
know
chicken is a
Mkuku in my language
cuckoo.
sounds. It means chicken in my language. So
No,
it's
No,
you are lying. You are
not a
lying.
chicken, man.
like,
It's a cuckoo.
what's Mkuku?
It's a house, a
Okay,
mini house.
listen.
Tin house.
Yeah.
Ah,
Oh,
mini house.
gunman at a tin house.
Ah, yeah. Yeah,
You know, last time I tried to ask Slim Crazy to teach me slang. Yo, never again. So I'm gonna ask you now. I'll never ask him again.
Don't
Okay.
say it.
What is
Don't
I'm
that
not.
you
say
No,
want
no,
to
it.
no.
know?
I'm not going to say it. I won't say it. I will never say it. No, I'll
Yes.
never. Not on
Okay.
live.
Mamela. What is it that you want to
Mamela.
know? Hi,
Um.
Mamela is not slang.
Oh,
Mamela means
okay.
listen.
Oh, I thought it was Lalela for some reason. Okay, okay.
Lalela
Anything.
and Mamela, it's the same thing. So what I'm gonna say, each and every time we talk, we must say Macala.
You wanna
Makala.
learn? Are you sure you
Macala.
wanna learn? Are you sure?
You know what? I'm sure, but it depends. You know.
Say, Mina,
No, no.
ngizifunela
I don't
ugunman.
trust you. You
Say
see,
yeah. It's Mina. Ngisifune
Mina means me.
gunman.
Mina means me. No.
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Mina.
Ngisfunela
Ngizifunela
Miss Funela.
ugunman.
umagangan.
Huh?
It's either you say gunman or maganka.
Magangan.
Say it in full. Mina ngizifunela umaganka.
Mina. Wait. What's the second word?
Say it.
Mina ngizifunela
Mina
Umaganka.
ngizifunela magangan.
umagangan.
Now,
Umagan.
now.
No, but that
Are
means
you
like
singing?
I want something like guns. What
You
does that mean?
want gunman.
I want gunmen. Yeah,
Yeah,
like
and
kufuna
I'm
means
here.
to want.
Also,
And I'm
you really
here.
want gunman.
No, I don't. I don't. I
He's a
don't
good
want
guy.
gun.
And he's singing.
Ay, chimeme. Now singing. Now gunman.
Ay, ay,
Now
ay, gunman
gunman.
ubutwam.
Gunman can be my friend, you know, my brother, my broski.
Also, you
Ah,
know
wait, now
gun.
I want to be your boyfriend.
Hey, I don't. Boyfriend. At this
At least I'm
age,
giving you some future. This is the future.
this is the future.
This one.
You need to
Yeah.
convince me more, you know. Can't just be accept.
Marusi
You need to convince me.
Lulinda, uthe ushi wewe. Ngathi ububa ezontu emkukwini.
Papa UK.
Yeah.
Never anytime soon. Oh.
Yeah.
No, but
But I
guys,
am abanyanyisi kanjani abantu base-airport. Yes, yes.
Kenzakalani
Like
manje?
inyapema right now ne khona umuntu okhafulele la kule nto yazidlala ayi sis man.
Sis man.
no,
Hayi,
but
okay.
Ufuna ukubona
Shiwewe.
ngikubonise
mm?
Angifuni ukubona.
sis.
Isikhohlela.
Ayi sis kuphi.
Bonisa ushiwewe.
You wanna see the skhohlela?
Yeah.
Ay, maybe umvuruva omunye umntana njengobambile.
Jaya milena jo.
Ubani?
You wanna see the skhohlizi?
Yeah, I want to.
The skhohels.
No, Nana, don't agree to sing the Scottels. It's not
Nah.
nice.
Okay. I don't trust.
From now
You
on,
can't
you
see
must
the
listen to
skhohels.
me, not Limek. And
Yes,
Tama
I
bangipuzisa
agree.
cold drink kuphi mfana.
I choice.
I agree.
Bana mina
But
ubona ubona uGotman athi nyekela ukubhema.
Yekela
Gotman.
phela ukubhema. Sozotshela unaye
Why?
Grootman, leave it.
Why?
Hayi,
Casper is in
yekela.
this live. Casper, I just saw.
Phela mangayekela ukubhema kusho ukuthi kumele ngiyojoyina isonto.
ujabulile uchiwewe ukuthi uCasper Nyovest ku-live.
Mm.
Do you have a crush for Casper
Shibari
Nyovest?
Tupac who
No, no, no.
better talk.
I
Brega.
just saw his
Kudani
comments and then I
Tupac,
just
then there is Tupac.
Ubani Tupac?
Angithi ubani konje uBG ungisukelile yena.
Umuphi PH into name?
Ilo womvenda. Konje ubani
Oh, Tito
Solomon.
Mura ngathombo.
Solomon wandisukela mna.
Yeah.
Ente kubani igama lakhe
Angiyazi
maliphelele
mina.
veni.
Yeah.
Ubani igama laka Sol maliphelele? Solomon. Sol Plaque.
Usol muphi manje?
Solomon. No bani no
Usol
MacG.
muphi? Ayiso
Lo
yangilahla
hamba naloya.
manje.
But guys, let me see you guys in the UK soon. Yeah.
When you must get yourself a boyfriend here.
And
Just ask for a boyfriend. Say I need a
if I have
man.
one? What if I have one?
That one is gonna be strong. You must get yourself a gun
So
man.
basically what Limek is trying to say is you must cheat on your boyfriend.
I don't
Cheat,
Just
baby.
imagine.
Cheat.
I don't cheat. I don't do those things, you
Not
know.
funny
That's
now,
nice
me.
Malawian girls
Don't be
were
like me.
loyal.
Don't be
Malawian
like
girls
me.
were loyal, you know.
That's
Hey,
nice, babe. I love that for you.
Uloya, no Malawian girl.
Maralinda.
Lim crazy.
Okay,
No.
enomunye umuntu ogcina ke.
Abo bana bafuna ukusenda imali, ngidanga basenda imali kanjani? Owe feature. Manje ngizoyenza nini mina leyo ngoma? Yeah, makame kancane ngitshela ukuthi ame until ngibuye because last year khona labantu abantu abafuna ukusenda imali bathanda ukuthi yazigugula abantu re.
But you know,
Sorry.
Lim crazy. I've been having requests that people want you in Malawi in December.
Sorry, Kotman Laka. Ari cheat mo. Ributi first 12. A kids kefi.
Ubani nothi uyachita?
Ivan, this can be around for this conversation. Lachita him, but
Moruti can't be in this conversation. You guys are cheating. We are cheaters.
who cheats?
So,
Do you cheat?
Ributi
Crazy?
first 12.
Do you cheat?
Me.
Limek.
Oh.
No. Limek. Do you cheat?
What?
Do you cheat?
Don't do that. What's that?
What's that? Not in your vocabulary. Which one is that one?
Which one is that one?
Which one?
Which level is that
I've never
one?
heard of it.
I
I've
don't
never
cheat.
seen that before.
I'm the most loyally
Loyal.
He
And
told you that he has
easy.
2 girlfriends. It's me and Kiamu Muloi.
so
You
he
know
must be
Kiamu Muloi?
cheating. Exactly.
So,
And my babe doesn't deserve that.
Kiamumloi is the first wife. Kuku is the second one.
Why me no second?
I'm the baby.
So that's
Then
not
this
cheating.
is our child. You see?
Yeah,
It's
that's
grown.
our firstborn. Itu.
Uh-huh. So you don't.
Look at Gunman. Now Gunman wants to take us to the gate. Gunman.
Mina ngiyahamba manje.
Hamba. Ngintshele secret uGunman uhleza phenika yo.
Kenzakalani ngani menzani manje uGunman?
Black men don't cheat.
Never.
We are the most loyal, loving species.
Uh-huh.
If he cheats, he's not real black man. He's a mlungu. Maybe he's
Maybe he's
brown, cream brown.
brown.
I like it brown.
Nimenzeni uGunman?
Ay angmazi naye uthanda ukubamba isikhathi kakhulu na ngiyambona usimele kanjani bheka seke yemnyango bona
Hayi ningamstressi so shem.
angithi akasabhemi that's why ayenza kanje you see you must swallow with Gunman so that he won't act like this anymore.
Okay, you guys come this side at the end of August. Come.
Yeah, we're gonna come.
Just yeah.
You want us to come, as we don't come. Us must come also. And you must tell
We're gonna
Gunman to
come,
come
but
also.
you must also make a commitment that you're gonna come around December,
I
ne?
promise.
Oh,
Wait.
I
Someone said Chiwewe. Guys, this
name.
name, my name is being butchered. Someone said Chiwewe. Bye. No.
bathi
Shabu shabu
uNkulunkulu uyasithanda.
ntate Muruti.
Asibonga,
I'll
asibonga,
make
asibonge,
I will make
asibonge
that
cover
commitment.
sing
I
a
will
verse.
follow you and I'll DM
Rata
you.
kerekeng service uibula ning kante khotman.
And the vele yongaba
Rata.
mnandi mara kulelo sonto.
Ko kerekeng ha o re tla le di raita.
Hamonate jwang re tsapate.
Mitren.
You know, but guys,
Au khotman
I
o ya
will
san.
talk to
Hey ni
you.
kante. Chimem.
I will talk to you guys.
I
Okay,
must buy
yeah.
you this hat. You see this one, Bambaganji.
You should have bought it for me on my birthday, which was last week.
Don't worry. You see, I bought it for them.
Oh, for
Habo
them.
bani labo?
Ang mas loy one me ang baz nam. Hey, bathi nabo bani?
International Limi. International Limi.
No man,
Ibo labo
labo bantu
basiphethe
labo
mfethu.
bagcoka impahla eyifanayo. I think they playing for
No,
a
it's not
sports.
ball. Babuz, hey guys, they saying you're playing netball. Is that true?
Or I'm a flight
Yeah,
attendant,
flight attendant.
Linda. Ne?
Nangu my sister. My sister, ngicela uthi hello Gugu. Nochiwe.
Those are flight attendants, right? Chiwewe.
Bekumntanami, hello sweetie. Kukubona.
It's in Imbo. Agase
Hello
cute.
Lim,
Hello,
sweetie.
Buki.
Lim, how do you pronounce
Manje
Uhamba
Lindo,
my name?
nami
uhamukisa
wena.
abantwana
Oh,
babantu.
she's so cute.
She's nice, ne?
Yeah, you have
Hey,
one
can
soon,
man.
man.
Yeah. Can
How
man.
how do you
Ah,
pronounce
teaching
my name?
well.
How do you
Can man, you
pronounce
making what?
how do you pronounce my name?
Oh, meh.
Chiwewe. Oh, Chiwewe. Chiwewe. Okay.
You know, I'm the only one who calls you like that.
I
No one else.
know. I even memorized it. You do it every time you
Simang,
see my
okay.
name.
Hey, Baba.
What's your name
Pegan
then?
Lona.
How do you pronounce your name?
It's just Chimwewe.
Oh, Chimwemwe.
Yeah.
That is just
But
Chimwemwe.
this one turns into a song every
Chimwemwe.
time.
And I'm gonna make that
What
song.
does that mean?
It means happiness.
Tambo.
It's a language
Oh, that's a cute
called
name.
Chichewa from Malawi. It means happiness.
So your parents are from
Ujabulani.
Malawi, but
Ujabulani.
you live in the
Yeah,
UK.
I'm from Malawi, but I stay in the UK. And
Pegi chuba lami kuku. Pegi chuba lami lizodla idina. Hello, Chubsin. Ngiyalanda kulo mlungu.
mm.
Hey, mommy.
But
Is this your chuba?
before I go, guys, give me
Is
like
this your
Ati,
pet?
is
an
this the
essay.
Juba?
It's not. Yambona, uJobsin. Uyangikhapha.
Liphi Juba lakho Linda?
Khona ntwana yami sengina itu. Kanti
Sissy,
ufunani kanti?
Sissy, what should I call you? What do you want me to call you?
My name
Who?
is Soulful G. My stage name is Soulful G, but my real name is Gugu.
And the other one is Gusta.
That's the name he
Wait,
gave me. He calls me Gustra.
Gusta. What do you
Ntwana
Don't
mina
prefer?
call
ke
me
ngikubhayele
Gustra.
I
izebra
won't.
ntwana.
What
I
do you
must buy
prefer?
you a zebra.
It's either
A
Soulful G or
zebrizi.
Gugu.
Okay, so okay. I want like an essay middle name. What would my essay middle name be?
Bheka lo chalekile bona.
If it's happiness, I'm gonna call you
Siyaphi manje?
Jablil.
How do you say it again?
Jablile.
Hayi lona akasujabulile kuku.
Athi gama
Ujabulani.
lakho happiness, so ngimupha ujabulile. Wena
Chavlile.
ngiyazi uzombiza usijava.
Javi.
Eh, Ujabu. Hayi
Ujabu
jabulile.
igama labafana.
That's my new
Olithabo
Naye
nickname.
yazogcina.
umfana,
Javi.
naye
Onjabulo.
umfana.
Actually, Njabulo
Javulo.
is nice.
Okay,
Njabulo. Ah,
what
Kanmen
does it what
wetang.
does it
Hey,
mean?
Kanmen.
Njabulo means happiness. Njabulo is Zulu.
Oh, okay. That's my new nickname
And
from now.
me, I'm Venda. So your name in Venda is Takarani.
Takalo.
Taka.
Ay, takalani. Yo, Linda.
You see, that's why
Javulo.
I'm saying you must stay at Zone.
Yeah.
Linda,
Yeah.
bathi simbiza usijuku.
Do you know sugar? Sugar. Angibiza ngisuka angene kuleyo line.
Yeah.
Do you know sugar? Chingwengwe. Do you know
Yeah.
sugar?
No.
Sijuku wamawala wala
Nasele
wamaweda.
basifikisa
Who's
khona la.
Chugu?
That old father that doesn't have amazinhos.
Yeah. Yeah.
Angathi shide nale flight.
What's Amazinho? Is that teeth?
Yes, when our young shackles, you have the mandate, you get it.
Yeah, I get it. I'm Southern, I get it.
It's in Hambeni,
Uyaphi
man.
kanti
Mele
mina abanye
ngilenzi
abantwana
wena.
abasahleli.
Zino is tooth in my
What time is your
language.
flight, Kanti Linda?
Mntwana mina ngazi shem yazi ngizobloma mina la e-airport.
Hayi, khona imessage engiyitholile. Ungathi kumuntu send your pics and account number ungangitshelanga ngedate. Angazi nani ukuthi uzonginika
Bayahlanya.
malini.
When I just send the account number, don't send the picture. He must give you the money, only money that we want.
Hey.
Chingwengwe,
Yeah.
Yes.
ngicela uchingwengwe unemali, ngicela sendele imali.
Mm?
Send us money.
You send me money. You send me
Ring.
money.
My Chimwemwe, we're gonna talk on
Listen,
DM. I wanna
I
go do
will.
my hair, man.
I'm
When you
even
go
gonna leave soon. I'm gonna leave soon, but I'll follow you now.
Oh.
I will talk to you in your DMs.
Where you living to?
I need to get ready. I'm meant to go out, and I just literally woke up not long ago.
Yo, I really like your accent, hey.
Really?
Ah,
Let's
It
swap.
sounds
I love.
yamazi ukhuluma kanjani lona ukhuluma kakhulu kuku uzokufonela kaningi.
yo.
I love your accent. I wish I could swap.
What are you saying?
No, I was telling her I love her accent, and I wish I could swap.
Oh, mina yama uyithanda accent. Uthande kakhulu.
He's asking if you don't like his accent.
I
Uyangizwa.
even understood that one. I could tell from the facial expressions. No,
It's so
I don't.
sit down.
I don't
So next time
care,
when you call him, you must be like Makanda.
Yeah.
Uva.
Yeah, it's okay. You can like the new one.
Yeah, I love her
Okay,
accent.
Chimwemwe. Next time
Yes,
when you call
babe.
him, you must be like
Let me give you
Makala Uva.
a baby. Don't you want a baby?
Who?
Let me add him.
Oh,
This is the baby.
oh.
He's your baby from now.
Baby.
How are you giving me a baby before I even ask for
This
one?
is the baby. Boy.
Boy. Yeah, sure.
So ne pesi ne.
What?
Wena na icheck
Asimboni mosu baby.
Na.
Hey,
Na
son boy.
icherry matara nangu chingwengwe matara.
Aye, man. Hey.
So now I'm a mother.
Come on.
Ufuna usolfuthi.
Asikboni.
Hey.
Phela lo unomkhuba kathila kawo.
Bangibone. Hey. Sengiyingozi.
Ubani lo Rita?
Uye unomkhuba kathila kawo sekabhema intanga ngijambona manje.
Aye. What? Aye.
Phela kahle
Urita
ungasibonisa isigqoko setisisi baba.
So boy.
Bulisa uchingwe
Hello
say hello
Rita.
chingwe.
Hello.
How am I a
Shemso
mother?
ukhulile
Hi.
manje.
Aye, kula.
My name is Njabulo.
Ungayenzi into ezisinacks bathi ungabhemi insango ne?
Asibhemi
Bhema
asa.
son, bhema mawufuna ukubhema
Aye.
bhema.
Hayi ungabhemi Rita ne?
Ukuyekela uRita ngithi uRita simnikeza uchingwe chingwe.
My name is Njabulo now.
Hawu Shimwemwe ushuka mama. Yo mdala.
Do you know this child? Do you know Rita?
No. I don't.
She's a
You know.
majayivane.
Oh, yeah, my neighbor.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
This is
She's a
Kila
dancer.
Mtwana.
Don't you know Rita? You must book her in the UAK. You what?
You.
Yeah, kuku yekela isilungu shem.
Hi, when
Rita,
okay.
Don't you know
Come,
Rita
Palaka.
RSA?
No, darling. But I'll check the page.
Now you know.
Yeah, check him now.
And if I didn't know now, I know.
I guess she's a lot.
Ngiyashisa. Nazi icherry, khuluma necherry kawo. Kanti ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ushela kanjani.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukuzwa ukuthi ushela kanjani. Shela lo mlungu.
Aye. Oh,
Chimeme.
Yazi utheni
Yeah.
uLinda uthi usisi wabantu
Me,
Ufume
Mina.
UK mara ngathi uhlale ezone 2 eDeep Groove. Yeah.
Ita, why can't usibona isigqoko mfethu?
Yo.
Sina sifuna ukubona wena.
Ay, man. Ninjalo, man. Hey.
Don't worry,
Ay.
guys. I'll take you to Santon in London.
Something in London, you
Mhm.
wish.
You haven't heard about
London
that
is
one.
something.
Ay.
Santon
Ooh,
in London.
you wish, remember?
I wish. I will.
But I'm coming back. I'm like, yeah.
Tanda mantombazana, ne?
You're coming back soon.
Uthi mina ngithanda amantombazane.
Wawubona
Ha
Ngifiki
abantwana
unga
nokuchitha yazi boy.
ay
Eh?
uthanda amantombazana ayi2 kuphela ulimi.
Ayi-2 kuphela. Ngithanda botshara abayi-2.
Ah, wena. Ngibona
Ugugu.
ubani ngangitshela ngisikele lapho ngisikele.
Yimi noKyamuloyi.
Nangu ugugu
Ubani?
uyakuphela ngisho.
Yimi noKyamuloyi.
London Santon.
Lo
Hayi.
uyangifuna so ngikunikeza yena. Manje I wanna hear your ability boy.
Hayi. Mnandi no.
Amfuna uChiweda.
Fethu phela uthi wait ntwana unamasimba ntwana untswembu ntwana.
Hayi mana
Usile lo
nje.
uyakujutha uthe uChiweda uhlala eLondon mara ngathi uhlala eMkhukhwini osezone 2.
Ingwengwe.
Ah.
Tell this
Yeah.
boy, bitch. Tell him that, hey boy, I wanna see your face. I like your eyes. I
Yes,
like your
Ah.
nose. I
Rita.
wanna be
Let's see
your.
your face.
I want you to be.
Rita,
Yeah.
let's see
Oh.
your face.
Uyazi ezone 2 Ritabile.
Rita, why are you hiding?
Rita uyazi
Why?
ezone
Zone
2
two.
na.
Kukuyekela zone
Ah.
2 man.
Why? Yo,
Bayambuza ukuthi why is he hiding?
ngiyazolilanga
Why are you
ezone 2.
hiding?
Asingicela into yesowethu mina. Yo. Ya.
When you
Khuluma
come to SA,
isilungu.
I'm
Hlala
gonna take you
isowethu.
to zone 2.
Where? Take me to zone 2.
I think you're gonna enjoy though. You
I
must really
will.
come.
I literally will. Don't worry. My dad's
You
side,
have
they
Lee
stay in
McFraser
SA.
Wader
You thought
and Gunman
Belsis.
and Rita.
Is the co and
Hayi
So you
the
say,
sakaka. Rita,
nase
simele wena ukuthi ushele
SNK.
mfethu kanti labantwana basesikolweni ubashela kanjani? Shela uchingwengwe man.
Mm?
SNK.
Shela.
I'm gonna
SNK.
Cabanga uyangena yena SNK mar.
Uthi simise khona.
come to London.
Hayi man
Ngizomise SNK
shela
uLondon.
uyekisa abantu SNK man.
Ya, sumisa khona.
Hayi
Hayi,
umdala uchiwewe for
network
Rita
yami.
udlala ngomntwana.
Bye bye Rita fire too. Ngizokubona. Bye bye boy. Remember,
Fakogcina.
you are choosing them ntwana now.
Huh? Them Tuana.
You are choosing them ntwana.
How?
I don't know. It doesn't wanna share you. Let me look for another one who's gonna share you.
Yes, please.
You want
But
someone who's
yes,
gonna
please.
share you?
Yes.
When I you said
Also,
you're loyal to your boyfriend.
oh no, I don't have a
Anna
boyfriend.
Coco, she's not. She's not.
I was joking. I was asking him,
Also,
what if I have a
you're
boyfriend?
really single.
Yeah, I'm single.
Mm-hmm.
I've been single for a while.
Oh,
Why is that?
It's tough. You can't trust men. You can't.
Very bad.
utwandlala we.
You can't trust men.
Utwandlala ke.
Fakogcina.
Lim crazy. Should I
Don't you
find you? Should I
don't
find
you
you a
have some
Malawian wife?
pimples, Nyana?
Limi, should I find you a
What?
Malawian wife?
Malawi? No, 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 no. I don't want a wife.
Or you don't?
Yes.
Because you're
Me, I'm
committed.
okay. Me, I'm okay with Soulful Kustra and Kiamukit. No. Yeah.
No wife. You're
Yeah,
committed
no
to your
one else.
Fakogcina
girlfriend.
Linda.
Ngifaka ogcina ubani ngifaka indoda.
Yeah. Fagumfani.
Chimwemwe,
Yeah.
Kuku is saying she wants a boy here.
Okay. You want a boy?
You must get me
Ah,
Malawi.
nangu
I'm
sites.
joking.
Let me
Yeah.
faka sites. Let me faka sites.
Malawi.
Usites
Malawian men.
ngazimela ngilethela ama flower.
You do, I promise you don't want a Malawian man.
How are they?
Banjani vele abothela
Cheating,
basemala.
cheating is a part of their blood. Like cheating on a daily.
Sanibona like ka.
Kilime.
I want to put the dollar.
Hello, Msaixido.
How are you my brother?
Mnandi kambani.
Ngirasi kakhulu. Sanibona bosisi.
Lolu khuluma
Sawubona konje
isilungu
ubanika
lophansi akuzwa.
Oh, engasala ke kanjalo. Isilungu. Hawu sengisele.
Linda
How are
konje
you
ubanika
baby?
malaka. Wait. Let me check.
Laka.
Usayifi. Ufuna
Oh,
ukubona?
Sky.
Usky.
Sykes. Usykes.
Sykes igama.
Yeah.
Yebo. Ngilomunye
You
ngaphela
know,
kasizwe
ufake
ngempela.
i-verse laphaya kule ngoma le
Asizwe ukuthi
besenzela
sikhuluma ngayo.
kuMatude.
Yeah,
Hawu.
nawuye lo.
Oh yes, ngiyamazi
Oh.
not face. Hello, ngiyakubona ke manje not
Hola not
face.
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 Ngiyakubona ke manje ngiyakhumbula. Lo
Right.
omunye osekukhoneni akasizwa ngempela isilungu.
Ushimwemwe igama lakhe.
Igama lakhe
Hello.
Bani?
uChimwemwe. Akezwa nene.
Hello.
Shimwemwe,
Hello
do you know
Chimwemwe.
this
What?
guy? He sings Lapho khona Dalina
I've
na
seen him before.
Tada da
Plenty.
da
Yeah,
da da
I
da.
know
You
him.
know the song?
Sengifake wena manje uzochama umuntu wami siyacula kakhulu since asimayilile manje since ungenile yabona manje.
Ah, uyabona Shem.
Nenzani
Do you know him,
la?
Shimwemwe?
Yes, from
Do you know
Iplan.
this guy?
Ngibonisa lena
From
mfana.
Iplan.
Yeah?
From Iplan.
Eva chajaka.
From
Is that how I say it?
Iplan. Oh, you
Le.
know
Yeah,
Iplan.
yeah.
Where
Oh,
is
okay.
Chimwemwe from?
So I think this
I'm
might be
from
a good
Angisanizwa nina
candidate,
I'm
eh?
ngifaka ama
from
headset.
I'm
Is
Malawian, but I stay in the UK
you stay
at the moment.
in the
Kodwa
UK?
mphelilo
Yeah,
anginizwa kre.
yeah.
Oh,
I stay in the
ish.
UK.
Our host
Chimwemwe
our host
say
seems to
Sykes
have a problem with
ngiyakufuna.
yeah?
Do you know? I know what that means.
Say it.
In there.
Yeah,
What does
Say
that mean?
Sykes
like
ngiyakufuna.
it means
Ngifuna
I want you. No,
ukukunya.
Don't you want Sykes? He said he's single, Mos. He's
I
a
am
cute
single.
Zulu
Angivala
man.
ama
He's gonna
headset.